Hello, in front of me I've got MG ZS. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can manage adaptive cruise control. Also we've got the favorite function button and assistant. On the right side, we've got the panel thanks to which we can answer and end phone calls, also use favorite function, navigate through instrument cluster, and if you press right here, you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.